Yuchi? Hi. Good morning to you. Oh god. Ugh. How are you, darling? Hey. Oh shit, that's the wrong click. Configuring my internet. That's good. And I'm trying to look for nice bite videos. Yeah, maybe not that. Okay. Sometimes looking for the videos can be the most annoying bit. Yeah, that's a bit weird. Yeah. No, that's weird. I guess I might as well just put YouTube so you guys can see what I'm looking at. Now, no, that doesn't look like a bite straight away. And implementing a kiss command would be a bit weird, I think. Maybe if it's longer, I can just reduce the sizing of it. What would be a good search term? Yeah, that's straight away dog training. And that might be a pretty good one. Let's turn it on. I'll consider it. That gem. What does this have to do with bite? Okay, that looks weird. Oh, seems very lost. Oh, this might be good. Yep. This actually might be pretty funny. Let's store this. We'll just need to slightly reduce the length of it. No Conan. Bite marks. That looks... Yeah, no. Nope. Gonna have... Check. Usually, don't you have some nice videos for biting? Doesn't look like it. No. Ramma. The start could be used biting the table. That's very long. Parkour is cool, that ain't it. I even know exactly what scene. Didn't you think you would use the gif I added? Was just me being silly. You mean, yeah, it's visible. Was it here? Yes. I do have saved this. I think I have both of these saved already. Or adding. But just 2 kind of feels a bit lonely. I mean, it's something, I guess. Meme. Right. Yep, I have both of these. I don't even know that. This might be a bit tough. That's just a JPEG. If should work. I guess we could start the implementation of it all. Add stream byte. Oh. Nah. That's not what I wanted. Here, byte. One. Yep, that's the one. Huh? Where's... Oh yeah, there's no copy there. By 1. Damn it, I'm fucking this up. Okay, delete this one. This one. Byte 1. That's what I want. Okay, now anime byte. Copy as path. That's it. Is fine for now. Okay, let's also straight away implement functional meme logic. This will be by logic. And this will be meme byte. Mine byte sources, the chat, and the rest are meh. I'm guess only subscribers, VPs, and mods for biting. If you ain't one of those, you ain't cool enough to bite. That's ain't the main logic, it's a user selection. I should extract this into a separate function. Because every single one of these has the same function. And I could extract this one to provide just the target group, because it's also... Every single one has exactly the same code except a different target group. But maybe it's some other point. Okay, GIFs might not be working then. That kind of sucks. Anyway, we could always convert the GIF to an MP4. You won't go maybe up into blah blah blah. Okay. And in the end of the day, if I put the basis for it, it will make it easier to later add ones. Okay. Yeah. But Can I make it a bit longer? Doesn't look like it. Anime. Right. Hopefully I didn't fuck up the name. I still need to redo it. The extensions changed. Let's try this again. Yay! Still need to fix the track for it. And there's nothing in front because it doesn't have a green screen. But I'll fix the tracks later on. But what I need is more videos. I need to consider. This never gets old. Okay, yeah, let's do Nichijou. Nichijou is always good. It's the other one. You download. Okay, download. Oh god, no one asked for AI. Jesus Christ. Okay. Oh no, that's the wrong one. That's the one I wanted. I think 10 seconds would be good. Okay, let's... How about here is fine. How do I cut this? Oh, yeah, it is here. Okay, and I think that's all I want. Maybe that's still too long. What do you think, QT? Is that still too long? Could just stop it here, I guess. After the bite. Comes 2 times shorter. Oh, fuck it. I'll do it like this for now, and I can always change it. Save. Hey. Do this one. Confirm. No, that's way too long. That ain't it, chief. That's the one. And this will be Nichijou fight. And then in Streamer Vault, we shall duplicate this. Fight 2. Where's Copy's path? I'm messing around with my internet, so I only see you once in a bit. No worries, cutie. No worries. I'm just gonna continue biting you.
じゃあ見ててみ。ほらお手。
Well, oh yeah, it's a bit too short. Where's the length? I think the length is elsewhere, which is gonna be inside the main logic, isn't it? No? Oh, because I don't have main defined. Okay. So in that case, need this, and inside here, for action. No, argument, set argument. Then, I guess would be good. And that's not fight 2, that's fight 1.
じゃあ見ててみ。ほらお手。
We'll need to fix the tracks and the avatars, but that can be done at the other points. Anywho. Hey, Robo. What's up, buddy? That's dogs. Got that one. Shrine incident. Nope. Principal versus deer. A bit long. Too lazy to look at that. Why is it all Nichijou? Good, very good, Robo. I'm glad to hear that. Okay, I'm looking for a nice biting videos to put on the stream. Bite. This really became all about Nichijou. The fuck? Nope. Come on. Give me something funny. Give me something good. That was quite a punch. I need a bite, not punch. Yeah. Did I say bite your tongue? Okay, that ain't it. Oh, you could find some Tom and Jerry ones. There's a lot of biting. Can't talk more work time. Cool, cool, Robo. Good luck at work. All the best, man. All the best. Put in power. Power, power. I'm checking. Correct. Yep, correct. Very good, very good, very good. Hey. Killers adopted her. In here. What? That was scary, Biryani. No worries. Thanks for the ad time, darling. Hmm. Yeah. Kinda biting, kinda eating. That's a good one, actually. This is a bit more than a bite, but Kobayashi no the dragon. Yep, let's do this. That would be good for a lick one. I quite liked that idea, to be fair. Don't think I finished it though. Fuck it, let's do this one. I'll cut it out myself. Yeah, that's the correct link. Okie doke. Finish it, finish. Thankfully 23 megs download quick. Okay. Will be this one, want it. Okay, so where do we start? Okay, that's the first one. Okay, that's where we start. Okay, nice. Let me make sure the frames are correct. Okay, one frame too far. Double check. Up, too far, too far. Okay. For the size I'm using, that's completely fine. And bite one. Cool. Freeze. Being so good should be illegal. What? Do it. Don't gonna fight you. Okay. Where does it finish? Yeah. That's a bit. The finish is too early. Okay. Actually, I want the rice one. The rice one is good. Okay. Oh, once more. A bit too far. Damn it. From here. Okay. We're getting into Mika. Up, up, too far, too far, too far. This is gonna end up being, instead of bite emoji, kinda eating emoji. No? Oh, that's fine. Okay. So that will be it with Kana-chan. Bite. Can type. Kana bite 3. Okay, duplicate. Then move it into my meme folder. Copy as path. No. Yeah. Yes. Three. Duplicate by 4. Copy as path. Duplicate 5. Copy as path, and now I guess I'll fix up the frames. Six. Wait. Oh, it was 3. Oh. Why did I think I made 4? My mistake. I don't need this one. Late. Okay. In that case, what we need now is a big stretch. Oh, good. Okay. Bite 0. Guess down the correct way would be to bite slob. This one. Ah, shit. If I do this, I can't see the chat. Ah. Let's go over here. .ks. Five zero. Swap. Copy that. And over here for now, let's view it in a big screen. Okay, so I need to. Okay, that makes sense. Here, execute code. So, tracks A, which is gonna be me. Yes. I already forgot. Let's do one, maybe smaller size. This one, 7, also smaller size. We'll check the top later, I guess. Hello? Okay, so more to the right, and I could make that bigger actually. Wouldn't be a problem. Okay, streamer bot. So I go more to the right, and can be a bit bigger. Enter. Could make myself go up and down, but maybe in the future when I'm less lazy. But for now, let's make myself go a bit higher. Maybe 1.5, and you go maybe here. Good enough for now. In the future, I'll make the icons actually go up and down too, but that will be in the future. Okay. Fight 1. Well, that's a bit too. I would say times short that should be. Maybe? We'll have a look. Now this bit. I already forgot what was happening. Okay. Let's try that again. Got so concerned about the length of it that I forgot. Right, 1. Okay, so I need to go more to the right. That's a bit too long still. Maybe 4.5. Oh. Maybe 0.2. This is not exactly gonna be moving too much. Okay. Well. Bite, I said. Okay. Thinking. Thinking very, very hard. Okay, did this B. And 3. That's the 3 being at 3 seconds range. Cutie! I haven't done the hug yet. Oops. What? Why didn't false work? Did I mistype it? It should be false. Fuck. Aww, thanks for the pats, cutie. Thanks for the patties. Why that did not work? I know why it most likely didn't work. The cash. The cash! It's all about the cash! And it's been cashed. Let's do... enter! God damn it. Which frame is it? Let's check internally. Around a second. A second. It's around when it's 1 second. Oh, the idea is that visible around a second, visible false. That's fine. I'm forgetting commas. Valid. And back to true at maybe 1.5. And this will be at 1. Let's try that. I might need to recompile the code to clear the cache. That's not what I wanted to send. Yeah. Yeah, a bit too early. Both of them. Wait a minute. Yeah, okay, so both of them appear too early and this here. So one point, yeah. Right, for now, false. Comma. Save complete. Wrong. Copy, paste. Let's check this. Nope, that was completely wrong. Let's do this again. And search. Okay. So, this is maybe 1.5, 2.0, potentially. Omikuji time. Let's hope way more like this time. Trust and belief. Curse, not the curse, god damn it. Okay, still through work. Agreed. Speech early and the look should be a bit longer. Oh, tomorrow is my payday. Okay, then don't screw work today. Screw it tomorrow after the payday. Maybe 1.7. Thought I changed this one too. And this, let's make, oh, not 8, 5, not 6, 5 I said. Arnie, learn how to write, goddammit. Yeah, so don't screw work today, screw work after the payday. That's, I think, the correct answer to this. A bit too... Family! I'm blessing for family at least. So it's this time it's not gonna be bad with family, it's gonna be bad with work. But it's gonna be okay with family. Should... Right? I'm getting, you know, something's bad gonna happen at work and your family will support you. Sounds correct. Yes, I forgot. Okay, so I reappear too fast. If one disappeared at the correct timing, I was saying. Oh, let's try this. It's as confusing it can be. True. That is very confusing. The hell? Well, we'll have to wait and see. That looked pretty good, no? Nice. I quite like that one. Just I want to see Kana's face, so the Y. Let's do 0.5. Hopefully we'll be around the belly. It is, you are correct, cutie. But in a way, part of the eating is biting, so we'll just say it's good enough. No, I want lower. I want me lower. We don't know that. We only saw someone being put in the mouth. Could have been... she could have bitten it too. This and maybe 7. We want to see Kana. Enter. Come on. Moody. Okay. This by 2. Full time slobity.
じゃあ見ててみ。ほらお手。
Good enough. But oh god, this is gonna be a difficult one. Okay, so
じゃあ見ててみ。ほらお手。
Okay, so first things first. Got out. This is gonna be more like here. This let's put here for now. 404. First, let's get the correct location.
じゃあ見ててみ。
Introduce myself.
ほらお手。
Okay, let's reduce my own size to 0.2 maybe. I hate how manual this is.
じゃあ見ててみ。ほらお手。
Maybe slightly put myself higher. Wait, let's... Oh shit. I'm clicking on the wrong thing. Where is Nichijou? All that. So, okay, yeah, we'll put this on the hand to be visible. And around 5 seconds both disappear. We can adjust the correct timing later. False, and it will stay that way. We're not gonna do anything about it. I could put someone's face here, but I'll think about it. Okay, so like 3.5. 0.5. My other friend has a headpat redeem, which gives her a headpat, and when it ends, she bites the hand. Oh no. Oh no. It's not good. It's not good to bite the hand like that. 0.5. Let's make X 9, Y 1. Good enough. And here also 3.5 X 9 Y 1 potentially. The 0 just to have the things align. Oh, that's incorrect.
じゃあ見ててみ。ほらお手。
That didn't look correct.
じゃあ見ててみ。
That's correct so far.
ほらお手。
Why did that move over there? Because I'm an idiot. Can't type. Let's do. Let's try this again.
じゃあ見ててみ。ほらお手。
Cool. Hopefully no one remembers I introduced a classmate of mine to my friend's family for her drawings, and now she became a popular YouTuber. That's nice. And that was very nice of you, cutie. I'm proud of you. I don't think I'll ever become anyone popular, but you never know, I guess. But next is not. I'm happy with things the way they are. Da, 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 da. 2, 3, 6, 9 potentially, and so 5, 3. No, that's 4, 3, 5 potentially, maybe something like that. That ain't it.
じゃあ見ててみ。
Ah.
ほらお手。
Okay, we'll move it too early, very slightly, and that will be about it for it. So that's 5.5 maybe? No, that's incorrect. That's hiding it. 3.9. By 2.
じゃあ見ててみ。ほらお手。
Nice. Okay, I'm pretty happy with that. So now will be 3. God. I like Kana. Kana's nice. Kana's cool. I'll do 5 for now. We can adjust later. And here. So first need to, this would be like 3 maybe? I like the 5, that was pretty good. This can be 6. And let's keep it this way. Okay, what? Why am I still there? I forgot to save it. Oh, yes. 6 pixels. The idea is the X and Y is if it's below 1, it's a percentage of the screen. At which percent? If it's above 1, then it's which pixel. So, if making it 6 became put it on the 6 pixel, which is very left. Let's make this maybe 5. I would say Slob was slightly too big for my liking. I was looking at it so much I forgot what I was looking at. I just completely went. Okay, I appear too early. Good enough. Except just maybe my appearance could wait. One. Obviously, okay. He'll be fine. He'll live. Okay, I quite like that. Hey, there's one more. Yeah, that's gonna be too long. I'll adjust the timing later. But now, copy, no copy. Okay, so I should be the one at 6. This is more likely 5. And that's too big. Well, 4. Enter. Okay, that's still too big. I need to be very slightly left top. Okay. So let's make 5, 5 and 1, 5. And Slob should be smaller. Maybe let's do this slightly to the left and maybe. Hello? Yes. Okay, I should make myself smaller too. Let's make me smaller. Two. I'm happy with being 2. File, save and compile. Okay, let's confirm if I'm happy with my head. Yes, I'm happy with my head. Okay, let's reduce the length. What does it say in the video? Properties, details. It's 3-second video. Yep. Guess I could move Slob together with the onigiri. and he should disappear at the end. A maybe 2.5. False. But that's wrong. Too late. Cool. Oh, that's good. Good, and potentially then 1.5, and go 3, 6, 9. Oop, that's wrong. And okay, I would say pretty decent. Of course, if I would put in more tries in between, it could be more fluid. I just can't be asked. 5-7, 5-4, 5-1 potentially. Yep. And now would be
じゃあ見ててみ。ほらお手。
we do have biting to some extent. Later on, maybe at some point, I'll look for more videos to have even more abilities to bite. And allow them to. But for now, we have something. As such, save or forget. Bye bye. Discord. Method by Slob. The tags implemented. Oh. This actually, I like the train one. Yeah, maybe I'll consider implementing more kind of ones when I have more, because I'm worried that since shit, I'm clicking on the wrong screen. Because currently more than half is already Kana, so if I implement 2 more, then it's more likely that the random is gonna select a Kana bite one. So when I'll have more, I'll implement most likely this one and this one. Pretty sure I'll do it. But for now, it will be enough. Okay. Mark, Mega Man, Money Rain. Oh hell no, Cheer Drown, here's Bonnie, Slaps, sticking stuff. It's just the green screens. Yep, that's about it. Now then. What options do we have? Did Slob shouldn't be awake, I think. So I'm suspecting maybe because I was spamming him? Don't know. Well then. Mm. Hug. Let's check first. Hug green screen. That's not very. That's not. No. There's plenty of hug options. Nah. Dun, 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 dun. That kind of doesn't move, does it? Actually. Oh, we're back. Aww. Cute. Why does it kind of have to be so cute? Mm-hmm. Here. Okay, nothing here. I was expecting more of a hug. No, thank you. Oh, yeah, I think I'll keep it as it is for now, and I'll check for nice hugs later on. Yeah, I'll check for a nice hug ones later on, and I'll implement them next time. Potentially. Wonder when I'm gonna do this. I do plan to have a coding stream again sometime this week, so I'll do it at the next time I'm doing coding. So for now, game software development. Mm-hmm. Yep, that worked, and this didn't, because unfortunately Kick and YouTube has different category names for software engineer or development. Boon. Okay. Since I'm not happy with the translator, I will be changing the LLM interface at some point. Ignore the problems right now, I just included more strict stuff. Okay. Wait, this is something I want to convert first. And actually, this should go into languages. A-frame. Nice. This engine. What? What do you mean? Oh. Why did I decide to put it here? Okay, fuck it. For now, until I remember, I guess I tried keeping the funny functions away from the other functions, but I might put all of these because it's all languages related into languages unit. For now. Actually, I know. Okay, and DTS engine now have service I'll never used. Indeed. Don't even know what that one is being used for. So anyhow. Class DTS engine. Hyperprovider. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, because this is a creator. Yes. There's no, it's not definitely. Yeah. We'll assign it. Jesus. And this config. Yeah, before the initialization. Yeah, pari. Okay. Providers. Null. Are you not happy? Yeah. Or null. That's a funny thing about JavaScript or TypeScript, whatever, that undefined and null is different things. Undefined means something is not assigned, while null means that it has been assigned a null value. Which I always found interesting. Okay, so most of these are actually, since I've recoded them already, are actually just the way they are gonna be. Without much changes. Okay, so function is not needed. Get default provider. This config. All this now. Come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. What? Nope. Objects possibly null. Exactly. All provider. How to deal? Oh, no, it cannot be null. Possibly undefined or null. I mean, instance of this. Yes, I did. Game. Game. Yes. 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 It can be null. I know. Right. That's overcomplication, but let's fix this one by one. Okay, so that voice is if yeah, return false. That works for me. So just if we have provider, send a provider, and we have Piper provider, this will be false, and we'll check the voice list. Otherwise, Piper doesn't exist. It's not a Piper voice. Same with this. This voice Piper. This will. Third voice by name. Great blessing. God damn. Oh. Cute is blessing maxing with family today. Goddamn. Nurture your bonds with heartfelt communication and shared moments. Harmony and joy will flow abundantly. Golden sunlight streams down bright. Family worth a joyful sight. Blessings flow serene and true. Peace and happiness for you. Alright, today is gonna be a good day with family. Cutie. Well, shouldn't be undefined though. This I agree, but this. Will return false if it doesn't exist. Unlikely to happen, because at least one of them, Piper, is very likely to work. So, kind of weird. CPF provider. Oh. Never gonna be no. Oh, I guess it could. Oh, provider. ETS can be defined. This should be always defined. Config. How to better do this now? This is a bit annoying. Defines. About I like this. Want help? What if I just do this? This should definitely create something. I'm still not happy about it. And what about if we do the provider dot instead? Is it? Yeah. Yes, we could potentially just create an empty stub. Or both. It would never be null. It might become unavailable, but it wouldn't be null. That could be an option. To have a base class and it's always available. I mean, this is not gonna stop from working. Just, I don't like red stuff. Even now, like, this should still create something, I'm pretty sure. It does always return a TTS provider. Never goes as in, like, I'm not returning anything. It always returns object. It never should be null. What do you mean on the side? Doesn't have to be a record. Thinking about it. Right? Could make an interface. Yes. That's not da, da, da. No, it would still be a record. Right? Give me a sec. I'm getting confused myself now. Interface. That's int. That's what I was thinking of. So, and Piper. Because we're getting the default provider from name. And as such, yes, it has an parameter of type string was found. Yeah, now these work. This, I mean, could be if CFG equals else if I guess I don't need, because if we always return Piper anyway. So only if the defined configuration is to be VoiceVox, we then assign VoiceVox. If it's nothing or Piper, then we assign Piper. Okay. Yeah, that looks like it works a bit better. I don't need a specific interface for it. We could do this. Know how I feel about this. Let's do a single lane. Feels a bit poorly formatted otherwise. But we have the providers now, voice list. So let's put this a bit higher together with the voices. Voices, these voices, I hear them. And when they talk, I follow. I follow. I follow. I follow all these voices. But this will potentially return a string list. But it might also be undefined, right? That's random voices. What? String array. Oh, this might be if let's not throw, let's just return an empty string. So if the index we got is below, it's not inside a number inside the array, then we return an empty string straight away. An example, -1 or voices length put into this array was gonna be an error. I don't like this. Ah, okay, so it's between number 0 and 1. If it's 0, then it's gonna be 0. If it's 1, it's gonna be length, and otherwise. Okay, it makes sense. This code. Arrow. Hey, Vasaris. Hey, bro. How are you? How are you, buddy? Good morning to you, I guess? Well, well, sure. I think you're in Discord, aren't you? If you'll share it, I'll have a look. As always. Just put it in the memes, I guess. Text channel on Discord. Let me have a look. It's the application. Yep, that's it. Let me just get the sound to the output. Where the hell is... Oh, I hit this. No, that ain't it. Here it is. Let's have a peek. What you're sending to me.
It's taking forever.
We're next up, honey. Just give it a second.
All right, next.
All right, here we go. Come on, everybody.
I'm just letting you guys know this ride does have a 500-pound weight limit.
Looks like you're gonna have to wait out here, Jennifer.
What?
Hey, that's your stepmother. You better watch your mouth, boy.
Watch my mouth. Don't worry, Dad. I'm watching it.
Just look at him, Jen. He doesn't know what he's saying. Come on, buddy. You can go see the killer whales.
Screw SeaWorld. Man, we got our own whale.
Huh?
Jennifer.
I am not a whale.
Not according to National Geographic.
What?
You know what? Yeah, I remember the exact moment in the episode where you popped up. It was like...
And here you can see a breaching humpback whale.
A humpback whale? You know what? No, that's it. This line is taking forever.
My parents would have killed me if I did anything like that. Jesus Christ. Oh yeah. I guess it's pretty much what I tell to Slob. Always calling him a fat fuck. Or a whale. Oh god. Oh shit. Almost dislocated my hand with that. Yeah, oh yeah, that's not gonna work anymore. Okay. Good, bro. Rider by name. Nope, that's not what I meant. Guess I could. I could do it in multiple ways. I could. Yeah, let's do object name. What? Send something else. An Instagram link. Now I don't have an lol. Well, turns out I never logged into Instagram on this account. Lol. After resetting. Oh Jesus Christ. Oh, no. I only usually use the Insta on my phone, so... Oh god, where's my phone? Huh? Yep, and that would be me. I did get someone's trying to log in, which is me, but Can I also get the thing needed? Yes, it's me. Facebook Oganaten, Kobeshi, Hyogo, Japan. Yes, that is me. Dun, 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 dun.
Rečiau.
Oh god,
Eik tu načut, net numirt ramiai negalėsiu.
okay, well this is Lithuanian. I don't want to make it bigger because people might actually... Wait. Okay, we can't really see much about my profile.
Baby, jeigu tu numirtum, tai ir aš kartu su tavim numirčiau.
Eik tu načut, net numirt ramiai negalėsiu.
For context, it's cute. It's here. The lady says, "Babe, if you were to die, I would die together with you." And the guy says, "Oh my dear God, I can't. Even after death, I can't have peace." Something along those lines. But that's a pretty old joke, to be fair. Object. Keys, yeah. That's not gonna be it. You are the one who's returning it. No. Not assignable, it is not. That's why you will be returning a null. And now, get default provider will be returned. Get provider by name. Should never be null, but I guess yeah. Let's do this because it will never be null anyway. Okay. Or maybe. I'm still being annoying for whatever reason. Just so it wouldn't be annoying. So, provider name out. That's just to get the name. Cool, cool. Have a nice breakfast, Vasilis. Have a great one. Dun, 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 dun. Provider. Now GTS provider does not have a name. Get provider name. No, this doesn't have a... Hey. Oh, I know why. Because K is the yes provider. What? Yes, type of. Oh no, because that's not the TTL. Does it work this way? Nope. That means it will be as we're finding through the keys. We're only getting the keys, which is the first bit of the provider, and then we're returning the found key. Get provider by name. No, get provider name, not by name. Provider. So provider name. Oh, you shall be. Now TTS provider. Yes, this TTS provider. And you shall be renamed as this. Get provider by name. Oh. I first need to get the provider. Random provider. Guess the off provider. That will work. Not. Oh, this is actually returning a proper result. Now, copy this. Well, changing it to actually use the office now because I'm using the provider key for conversions all over, all around. Okay, and let's speak. That's a TS object. Everything now has a nice little type assigned to it, which is great. Oh, Create TTS engine is gonna disappear. TTS engine, prompt builders, no. Where's the app? Appity appity appatapatu 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 Thought I removed that export. That's not the way. Awesome. Oh god. And as such, TTS engine. No, it's fucked. Bye bye. Why are we doing this? I already have the name. Why are we trying to get to make sure we have the correct name? That's bullshit, and you know it. Nice. Now. Base provider. Yes. Bot class. Yes. Provider. Available. Resolve. Pretty sure we didn't name it synthesize, but should be the base class. I guess we named it Speak, but we can rename it. I like the name synthesize. Yeah. So import base provider. Actually, let's paste it. Yes, provider. What are you implementing yourself? HTTPS provider. Oh, but I'll never use. We'll use it, don't worry. Port class Piper provider. Up. Yes, I should implement config. God, my speak is missing. All right. Guess we did name it Speak. Actually. This you should implement, and also this will need an import. Come on. Import. And this will be Speak. We'll also need Speak options. That's good enough. And you shall also have so the config or any provider, pull this and amazing. And can you import that, please? Import type config, not from TypeScript, from here. Amazing. Oh. Sound never used. Exactly. But I don't think I can use much of it in here. But yeah, it's a base one, so it's a fallback. to return something. And this is actually has a type. Not a random object. Mine provider. Yep. Provider. Base. Could actually have no functions. Too. Basically as provider. Yep. Don't need these. Can pass this like this. Yep. Perfection. Utter complete perfection. Dun, 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 dun. I'm gonna watch YouTube. Cool, Besides, have a good one, mate. Also gonna be finishing it shortly. Need to start getting ready for work. It is getting close to 5 a.m. Start work from 5 a.m. 5 p.m. Start work from 6, so it would be nice to grab some food before starting work. Oh. So. Available. That can wait. Doesn't actually have to be inside the function. Potentially we'll have to have a look, but run Piper. I might change this. Link path, out path. Voices, indeed. So how does override work? Right. Like this. Okay. So it's a stop. Override it all, baby. Run Piper. So this is actually... Oh, it's a problem. I could wait for it. No, we practically just spawn an exe. We run the process and we... On different kind of messages, we set different things. And we run it, generate it, close it. Simplicity at its best. Okay. Private. Oh, can't type for shit. Damn. Need to check this code and potentially clean it up. There is a lot of bullshit code in here. Then in case if anyone's wondering why am I simply just clicking tab, it's because I do have this code in this code base. And it's recognizing like, oh, I'm just writing that code here. The same code, just in a different function. Yeah. this code. Pick random model path that's gonna go up here. Have to be a spot function. Not this. Also not this. Next is the voice list, isn't it? Model. Oh, yeah, no, we depopulate them. That's not what we used to do, pretty sure. Where is the initialization? This models. For models raw. I guess model path. We resolve the path and Piper config. Yes. Yeah, that ain't it. Is model. No, it isn't. It is it. It's exactly it. Okay. Yep. That creates a new one. And we're gonna have it as classes now. It's a nice little class of its own. And you can get the fuck out. Worst case, I can just re-implement it. Not too concerned. So these are overridden from the base. We don't call super because we don't really care what's in the parent. We could potentially not implement anything except have it hold values. But ain't problem right now. Don't care enough. Model path. Piper uses a separate file for each its voices. That's why it's actually resolving via path names. Yes, provider, it's not in use. Indeed, it's not. Is it possible to kind of? I know it's not gonna be used. I'm not returning anything for it, so as I could implement a dummy code to use it. I think I will though. Okay. Now this one is gonna be a bit more harder because this is at the current point it's using its own API, so it's not exactly integrated and it's not doing it the same way. It's actually calling this API calls into a separate API to do shit, which I'm not particularly happy about. But that will be a problem for future me. Export class VoiceWorks provider. Well, yep. Speaker, I don't think we even use that. Oh, fired. Big, yep, up. It's nice that it's actually realizing what I want to do here. Oh. Yeah, you kind of forgot some stuff. Implementation. Oh, okay. Lol. Yeah, no, you're not gonna be doing that. Okay, so your engine is running. So it's starting it. Also spawning it, blah 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 blah. Yeah, I'll definitely be doing this a bit differently. So, etc. Actions. Just create an asynchronous function. I guess it's correct as we don't exactly need much. We just need to start it. But that's it. We don't have a way of finishing it, so would be good to or a reference to a child. What does spawn? Child process, yeah. This is actually needs a way bigger rewrite than the Piper one. Because we also don't have any way of stopping it. If we need to. It should stop when you are destroying the, well, stopping the server. Because it's a bound process, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, we unreference it. It might not even be bound. But if I bound, we'll wait for that child to exit. Oh yeah. This is different. It's just attaching it, so don't wait for it to complete. Really getting hungry though. Quite likely gonna finish up for today. And continue more next time. Which didn't really consider it plans-wise. One thing I'll do tomorrow, I'm thinking of doing some Rivals tomorrow. Or Sekiro tomorrow. Yeah. We'll see. We'll see when's the next day. I will also be, I think, actually tomorrow I might not have a stream because I think Mist will be home only after work, so I might be doing some behind scenes work, which might, next time I'm coding might mean this will be done. We'll have to wait and see. Anywho, let me switch up over here. You see, I'm actually finally managed to shave myself. We'll need to start thinking about cutting my hair too. Not to be so messy. Not to be a messy boy. Anywho, if anyone's still around. And is... Nope, doesn't look like it. Looks like I'm here by myself. Here without you, baby. Just alone, my lonely love. Thank you anyone who has been watching. I will be finishing up for today. I will be back tonight after work, at which point I will be playing some potentially Marvel Rivals, and I might be going some comp. Because I need to do my placement matches and need to actually start playing the game a bit more. I've been a very lazy boy the last season. Anywho, hope you all enjoyed it. We will be continuing next time with either finishing up the implementation, converting other units, or I might actually re-implement translation services to use hot swapping and smaller specific models. Or I might actually go into Intent Engine and expand the Intent Engine. I had a thought during the weekend for the Intent Engine. I might actually split it into 3 or even 4 separate LLMs. One to define context, if there's multiple people talking about multiple stuff. To define intent. I want to learn, I want to speak, I want to, I don't know, twirl around in places, I want to move but I don't have the recipe. Then depending on the intent, if it's speak, generate a text related to the content I'm speaking, or learn, generate, get skeleton from the avatar runtime, and generate a movement for a specific type of action I'm trying to learn. So there's things I want to recode it differently than what we're doing now. While the current implementation of the intent did work to a certain extent, I was not particularly happy with it, mixing context, not forgetting about stuff, etc. Any case, thank you all for watching. Hope you have a lovely time of the day, and I'll speak to you later. Bye bye.
Wow.